Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, and 2026 is shaping up the year of agentic AI systems, not just chatbots, but fully autonomous assistants capable of searching the web, reasoning from fresh information, and delivering structured, factual answers. Hello, friends. This is Sree from TechieTalksAI, and today I want to show you one of the most valuable AI portfolio projects you can build in 2026, a web-powered AI research agent. So this video succeeds our previous video where we saw a command line-based web research agent. In this project, we will see how easily we can convert that command line project into a web-based project. Next video will showcase how easily you can make your project live so that you can showcase in your portfolio. Others can access and check your work. This project is perfect for techies, interns, students, and early career engineers who want to display real-world agentic AI skills, the skills companies are actively hiring for right now. And if you ever feel stuck or want personalized direction, remember, you can always join my one-on-one mentorship program at Schogini.com. You can click the Mentor Expert link. It is designed to help you accelerate your learning, fix your weaknesses, and build a career-ready portfolio with expert guidance. Let's dive in. We have taken a simple command line script that we showcased in our previous video that uses Gemini 3 Pro, in fact 3 Pro Preview, and it comes with free API key which you can easily access. And we will use, very simple to use, Agno Agentic framework. And we will use Python and UV tools to manage dependencies and deploy the application. And again, this application has real-time web search. We have converted this into a professional Streamlit application that searches the web, generates fact-checked answers, includes citations, captures research in Markdown files, builds a portfolio of saved research, has a polished UI you can show to recruiters and professors. Most importantly, this is not a toy code. This is real AI engineering. Companies today want people who can build agentic systems, not just chatbots. And this project proves you understand LLM tool augmentation, system prompts, web-aware intelligence, state management, UI plus backend integration, dependency isolation using UV. If you're an intern, this project alone can elevate your entire resume. Why this project is perfect for a techie portfolio? Most AI project students build are either a chatbot with no intelligence, a small machine learning model nobody will ever use. But this project stands out because it solves a real problem. Companies need tools that can summarize the latest news, research, and technical updates, not static Q&A bots. Also, this demonstrates agent intelligence. You show you understand instructions engineering, web search integration, history control, fact versus opinion distinctions, source attribution, critical for enterprise AI. This is exactly what agentic AI engineering is. And this includes both CLI and web UI. Most students only show a notebook. You show a production style application. And lastly, it saves output as Markdown, meaning you are building a persistent knowledge store and internal research tool. This is pure gold in a portfolio. First, let's see what the web app adds and why it matters. Your Streamlit app does more than beautify the interface. It upgrades the project to a practical internal research tool. This also builds a Markdown research library. Every user query becomes a timestamped, organized, human-readable, and shareable research note. Sounds simple, but this reveals the engineering maturity. It's how real companies build internal knowledge systems. This offers a clean UI for non-technical users. If you demo this to a recruiter, manager, professor, startup founder, they can use it instantly. And that is portfolio power. It's time for a technical walkthrough. This is for techies and interns. Let's break down exactly why this project demonstrates strong engineering potential. Agno agent configuration. Let's look at the code. So this is Agno Agents configuration section. It uses the agent library from Agno. And we are using Gemini 3 Pro Preview, and we are enabling web search using this flag, search equal to 2. That is it. And here we are giving a description for us to know what this does. And this is the important part which you can work and make it more and more significant and powerful. So use this as a starting point. So this is where Streamlit application actually begins. We have the page configuration where we say layout wide. Then we have the web page. This st.title is what is appearing here. And then we have a small note section where we display these 4 lines. Those are these lines. Okay. So it's very simple. You don't need to spend extra time in learning Streamlit. You can learn by using it. Now here with st.sidebar, you can define the items that you want on the left sidebar. So that appears here. So here we have a drop down where we can choose any research that we did earlier and load them here. So that is what happens here. Okay, so this will get the list of saved Markdown files into notes, and it will iterate and display them in the drop down. Okay, then now main area where we have our location where you can enter our query. So st.text query is the multi-line input text box where you can type your topic to be researched and click this run research button. So if that run research button is clicked, this area gets executed, and this is the line that runs the agent. So this research underscore agent is our agent object that dot run with our query. With our query, we'll get the answer in this result variable, which is what is getting displayed here. And this is the research underscore agent that we saw earlier. So to summarize, we use Streamlit to create the text input area, sidebar, and save documents, markdown rendering. So you're showing front end to back end integration skills using just Streamlit. And if you're watching this and thinking, I want to build project like this, but I don't know where to start, or I know Python, but I want to master AI engineering agents, LLMs, and deployment, then you should join my one-on-one mentor expert program at Schogini.com. This is not a course. This is a personalized mentorship designed to diagnose your strengths and weaknesses, build a portfolio around your goals, help you learn production-level AI engineering, guide you through hands-on projects, keep you accountable, prepare you for freelance or full-time AI roles. So visit Shogini.com and click Mentor Expert link and book a session. Your future self will thank you. So that is the complete breakdown of a web-powered AI research agent from CLI to professional Streamlit application. This is the kind of project that transforms your portfolio from student level to industry ready. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what feature you want next, share it with a fellow techie, subscribe for more AI engineering content, and remember, this is Sree from TechieTalksAI, helping you build, learn, and grow in the world of AI. See you on the next project, which is significant, where I will show you how you can publish your project live so that others can access it, and that too completely free. Thanks for watching. Apply these tips and level up today. Smash like if it helped, subscribe to Techie Talks AI for deep dive and drop your biggest challenge in comments. Ready for personalized one-to-one Zoom sessions? I mentor just few students on cloud, coding, DevOps, no-code solution, AI agents, or electronics, tailored to your goals. Limited slots, book via the link in the description before it's gone. See you in the next video.